Hi, in this video we'll walk you through how to install the sensor node into the Rhea luminaire. The sensor node integrates motion and daylight sensors and thus allows the Rhea to transform into an intelligent luminaire. You will need the sensor node, this cable here, and of course the Rhea. First, you connect this cable, which is included in the package, into the sensor node. Polarity is not important in this step. Make sure the cable is connected firmly. Next, you connect the cable coming from the sensor node to this cable here in the luminaire, which is pre-installed. Finally, you install the sensor node in the top part of the Rhea by just clicking it in place. As easy as that. That's how you integrate the sensor node into the Rhea. If you encounter any difficulties or have further questions, check out our installation webpage and don't hesitate to consult the LEDCity team. Thank you for watching.